Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com, and today we're going to talk about what I think is probably going to be the single best Gauntlet glove deal for 2026. Okay, so I made another closeout buy that I think is going to be great for all of our SportbikeTrackGear.com customers. We've got the RST S1 full gauntlet leather glove. This glove, it looks a lot like their TrackTech Evo 4, which is our number one selling track glove. Okay, that's the full kangaroo glove. It's got the palm slider on it, Kevlar lined. This is in their catalog a step below it. Its previous retail, right, I think was like $109, something like that, about $100. We're going to do these for $59.99. We've got a good quantity of them in stock. It is a very robust, full grain leather gauntlet glove that comes complete with the same palm slider that you're going to find on the track-focused TrackTech Evo 4 glove. Knuckle protector, safety strap at the wrist, adjustment up here at the gauntlet, sizing. I wear a 2X in almost every glove out there. I have a 2X on right now. I've worn these at my desk for a while this morning. Had Max benchmark them too. They run true to size, very comfortable fit. And like I said previously, a nice, robust, full grain leather construction. Who are these going to be right for? If you're a track day rider, looking for your next pair of gloves, these are going to suit your purpose fine. If you're doing some entry-level, club racing stuff, you're working on a budget, you want a great deal on a great pair of gloves, these are going to be great for you. If you're a street rider that prefers to wear a full gauntlet in lieu of one of those, short gloves, one of the textile short gloves out there, you want a higher level of protection, you want a great deal, these are going to be great for you. We've got an overlay here, overlay here, overlay in the palm, pinky area, that's the real impact zone right there when we fall. We've already explained the palm slider like a million times. Why is that important, especially on a track-focused glove? Most of us, when we're going to fall, you want to brace for impact by putting your hands out. When you do that with just a standard pair of leather gloves that has nothing in the palm, what can happen is the leather can grab the surface of the road or the track. You can grab it, transmit a lot of energy into your wrist. There's a little scaphoid bone in there that can get broken. There's low blood flow. It's hard to heal that. It can also pull the glove apart, or it can start a tumble. When you have something like a palm slider, it slides easier than the leather. It also is more abrasion resistant than the leather is, so it helps to reduce the possibility, right, of the glove being overloaded, creating a tumble, and it just helps keep the glove together. It's something that really, if you're riding on the racetrack with a pair of gloves, the palm slider should without question be in place. Beyond that, it has all the other elements that we would look for. All the individual knuckle protectors, motion panels, they really feel quite good when you have them on. There is some isolated perforation in between the fingers to help introduce a little bit of airflow into the glove. Right, there's a little tunnel system here, so when you wrap your fingers around the bars, instead of it just pulling on the glove, right, that's able to move freely, keeps it nice and comfortable. Got a little padding here to protect the end of the ulna. All in all, it's a very robust glove. It's available in multiple colors. This is the all black colorway that I'm wearing right now. We've got a few of the black and green, the black and red, and the black and white. A better deal you will not find. Get yours before they're gone. The RST S1 full gauntlet leather glove, $59.99, only at SportbikeTrackGear.com.